Colorful cute kids.
Hello everyone! Welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to draw and color a family of 4 members. Are you ready? Let's start drawing. First, let's draw the father. I'll start with his face, then add his ears and hair. Next, let's draw the mother. She has beautiful eyes and long, shiny hair, so pretty. Now, let's draw the eldest daughter. She has a happy face and looks very lovely. I'll draw her hair and tie it up on both sides, so cute. Finally, let's draw the youngest member of the family. Oh, it's a baby girl. She has a beautiful mane. Now, let's complete our family picture by drawing the parents' bodies. To make our picture stand out, I'll use a black pen to outline everything now. Let's add some colors to our drawing. Father's hair of black. Mother's hair brown. All family members' skin. Let's use a skin color pen. Baby's mane and shirt, light purple. Big sister's outfit, light pink and gray. Mother's shirt of pink. Father's shirt, dark blue. Finally, I'll use a black pen to add the finishing touches and make the outlines bolder. Great job, everyone! Your drawing looks amazing. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. I can't wait to draw with you again. See you in the next video. Goodbye.